Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable 120 Hz refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! So first you want to head into your settings, then scroll down a little and enter display. Inside display, you can simply go into motion smoothness, and as you can see currently we are in the in the standard, which means that our screen is set to 60 Hz at best, but we can switch to adaptive, and sometimes it will automatically smooth out the experience by setting it to 120 Hz, mostly when we are scrolling. But of course you want to also apply these changes. Now it's very important to note that sometimes this won't really work for you, so I would advise you to scroll all the way down and head into developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options, you can go into about phone, software information, and then cut up build number a couple of times. But anyway, inside our developer options we want to scroll down a little and we want to head into a section called Debugging. And inside debugging we have disable default frame rate for games, and if it's enabled it's going to actually disable the limiting maximum frame rate. So if you have this disabled, of course if I'm actually get it right, if you have this disabled, then this means that you are capped to only play games at 60 Hz, which is something we don't want. And always you can go into show refresh rate, and here we can see the refresh rate, and we can see that we indeed have 120 Hz when we are scrolling, which is very good. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.